Most people think intelligence is something you're born with, a fixed trait, something that some people have and others just don't. But today, that belief is outdated because the truth is this: intelligence is now something you can build, enhance, and compound every single day if you use the right tools. And most people are still operating with the mental software of the past. They rely on memory, effort, and motivation, while the world is being reshaped by systems that think faster than any human ever could. Today, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that can make you instantly smarter, tools that give you clarity, speed, better decisions, and a real performance edge in your daily life. Not hype, not magic, just practical intelligence upgrades you can start using right now. Welcome to Peak Mind AI. Let's lock in. The first tool is Perplexity. Think of this as your personal research engine, faster than Google, more accurate than ChatGPT, and built for real understanding. Instead of giving you generic answers, Perplexity breaks down information step by step, pulls from multiple verified sources, and shows you exactly where its answers came from. The speed is immediate. The clarity is unmatched. You stop wasting time reading 10 different articles or trying to filter truth from noise. Perplexity gives you a clean, structured breakdown so you can make better decisions in less time. It's like having a research team in your pocket, available 24 hours a day, and the smartest people are using it daily because the person with better information wins, always. The second tool is Notion AI, your digital second brain. Everyone has goals, tasks, ideas, and responsibilities, but most people keep all of it scattered on their phone, in their notes, in their head, or nowhere at all. Notion AI solves that problem. It takes your unorganized thoughts and turns them into clean, structured, actionable systems. You can journal, plan your day, build routines, track progress, and map out long-term goals. But the AI layer takes it further. It cleans up writing, it creates templates, it turns messy notes into clear outlines. It helps you think better by organizing your mind. When your environment is structured, your thoughts follow. You start moving through life with more direction, more calm, and more confidence. The third tool is Rewind, your digital memory upgrade. Human memory is unreliable. We forget conversations, instructions, ideas, and details that matter. Rewind fixes that by recording your screen, your meetings, your calls, and making everything searchable. You don't have to remember what someone said last week. You can find it instantly. This helps you follow through better, work more accurately, and avoid miscommunication. For students, entrepreneurs, creators, and high performers, this is a cheat code. You never lose information again. You free your mind from trying to remember everything, and instead, you use your energy to create, to think, and to execute. The fourth tool is Claude. If Perplexity is your research engine, Claude is your thinking partner. It breaks down complex problems, analyzes decisions, and explains concepts in a calm, structured, logical way. Claude thinks like a strategist, clear, deep, consistent. Where other AI models guess, Claude reasons. You can use it for decision-making frameworks, writing, brainstorming, planning, or simplifying complicated topics. If you want to think clearer, make better decisions, and avoid emotional overreactions, Claude is the tool. It's like having a calm advisor beside you, pushing you to think long-term instead of reacting short-term. The fifth tool is Otter AI, your clarity assistant. This tool transforms any conversation, podcast, call, or meeting into structured notes, summaries, and action steps. Most people lose growth because they forget 90% of what they hear. Otter fixes that. It captures everything and turns spoken information into something you can execute on. You save time, you stay organized, you think more clearly because nothing gets lost, and the more information you capture, the more your future self benefits. Now here's the bigger point. These 5 tools aren't just cool apps, they are the modern extensions of your mind. In psychology, there's a concept called cognitive offloading, using external systems to reduce mental load so your brain can focus on deeper thinking. AI is the most powerful form of cognitive offloading ever created. When you use AI correctly, you stop wasting energy on low-level tasks. You stop drowning in information. You stop feeling overwhelmed. Instead, you think sharper. You make decisions faster. You execute with more confidence. Intelligence becomes a system, not a struggle. And here's the truth. Most people won't take advantage of this shift. They'll keep operating with old habits, old methods, and old levels of clarity. But you won't, because you understand one thing: the edge goes to the person who adapts first, the person who builds the right systems early, the person who leverages the tools that make thinking, learning, and acting easier and more efficient. This channel, Peak Mind AI, is here to help you do exactly that. Every week, I'll break down the tools, the psychology, and the systems that sharpen your mind, improve your performance, and help you build a life with more discipline, more clarity, and more power. If you're ready to think better, move better, and live with an edge in a world that's getting faster every day, hit subscribe. This is Peak Mind AI. Stay sharp, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.